Step 3. We got YB is equal to 125 mm, YT is equal to 75 mm. Next, in my calculations, that is I in A. I about neutral axis is equal to A1 H1 square plus IG1 plus IG2 plus A2 H2 square. A1 is equal to 150 into 50 into H1 is equal to H1 is 125 minus 150 plus 50 by 2 plus minus plus BDQ plus 50 into 150 cube by 12 plus 50 into 150 into 50 by 2 minus 125 by whole square. Then total calculation will be 53.125 10 to the power 6 11 to the power 4. Then next we got I in A is equal to 53.125 10 to the power 6 mm to the power 4. Step 4. Painting stress formula from pure painting theory M by I equal to F by Y. Equation number 1. Another F1 by Y1, F2 by Y2. Y1 is YT and Y bottom, and it is YT. And F1 is F2 is, it is tension, it is compression.